Hey there everybody, if you're watching this video, you probably want to know how to install Vencord on mobile. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Vencord is an add-on for Discord that lets you personalize your experience with extra plugins and themes which are not available in the default app. It offers more customization options for users who want to tailor their Discord interface. However, it's important to note that using Vencord violates Discord's terms of service, which means there is a small risk of being banned from the platform. To use Vencord, you need to download it from its official site. Follow the setup instructions and then you will be able to access its customization features within your Discord account. Always be cautious with third-party modifications and consider the potential risks before installing them. So ensure you have an Android device. Vencord is not available for iOS devices. In the first step, what you need to do is open Chrome browser on your device and search for the following, that is Vencord GitHub mobile download. And be sure to click the first link. After clicking, you need to download the latest version of Vencord for mobile. Look for a .apk app. Click on it and download it. Once the download is complete, tap on the file to start the installation process. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the installation. After installation, what you need to do is open Vencord. You may need to log in with your Discord credentials. Configure the settings, plugins and themes as per your preferences. You can now use Discord with enhanced features through Vencord. You can also enhance functionality with plugins and change the look of Discord with custom themes. While these features can make Discord more personalized and user-friendly, it's important to remember that using Vencord is against Discord's terms of service, which could risk getting your account banned. If you encounter any issues or need more detailed instructions, feel free to leave a comment. And that's pretty much all about how you can install Vencord on mobile. Well, I hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe to this channel for more tips and solutions. Till then, bye bye and I will see you in the next one.